How to download songs with Chrome on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open Chrome on your phone and make sure that you are signed into your Google account. Then tap on the search address bar and type down Pixabay and hit enter and search for it. After that, navigate to the Pixabay's official website. And once you're in there, at the top tab you can see some options available. From there, swipe and you will get to see music. Tap on it. Once you tap on the music, you will get to see some list available at the bottom. Scroll and tap on the download available right next to the list. Now all you have to do is tap on the download and it will be saved to your iPhone's files. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.